In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to GCash. Step 1. Log into Wise. Open Wise app or website and log in with your account credentials or create an account. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Tap Send Money. Tap the Send or Send Money button on your Wise dashboard. Step 3. Add a recipient. Select Add a recipient, choose Philippines as country, then tap e-wallet as the method. Choose GCash as provider and enter recipient's full name and GCash mobile number. Step 4. Enter the amount to send. Specify how much to send in PHP of your sending currency. Wise will show you the conversion rate and fees instantly. Step 5. State the reason for transfer. Select a reason for sending the transfer if prompted by Wise, for example, goods and services or remittance. Step 6. Review and confirm. Double check all details, then confirm and authorize the transaction. You may use biometrics or a password as required by Wise. Step 7. Track and receive funds. Wise will notify you and the recipient when the transfer is complete. Funds are often delivered to GCash instantly or in a few hours. Now I have some tips for Wise to GCash transfers. Only send to fully verified GCash accounts. Always double check the mobile number and name. And save the GCash recipient for fast repeat transfers in the future. And that's how you send money from your Wise to GCash. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.